But yeah, let's just get right into it. So overall, starting off with overall Monday, as you all know, we're looking for, and here we have some COT reports as well. But yeah, overall Monday, we're anticipating overall an really nice quarterly theory week. That's what I call it. All right. Can everybody hear me, or can't you hear me? Oh, you can't hear me? Oh man, I can't hear. Okay, that's crazy. Can y'all hear me now? Shit. No, guys, can y'all hear me? Now you should be able to hear me, alright? Perfect! Super nice, everyone. Super nice. Alright, hopefully I jump scared some people. I was actually talking, alright? I was actually talking. So, guys, I'm doing super nice. I'm doing super good. My English is not the best today, alright? It's not the best, right? But it's should be fine. Should be fine for us, alright? Yeah, I scared a lot of people. Anyways, right, today we're gonna do something crazy, right? Like we always do. So pretty much we'll just get right into it, shall we? So, like this is exactly what I said to y'all prior, right? We'll just have to take that away. So Monday, pretty much we're looking for this. Usually, what I call, I say to my students, this is just a perfect student. You decide if you're going to be here, right? But I've already talked to the people in the students, and I'll upload a call for y'all. It's much more advanced, etc. But you guys get the truth. You guys get the majority of the things, right? I won't be. Yeah, we'll see. We'll see if I have something annotated for y'all, something special. But let's see. Let's see. So overall, right? Monday. What are we anticipating? This is exactly a perfect quarterly theory week. This is exactly what I say, right? Because quarter theory will work super good in this week. Why would it work super good? Pretty much it will work super good just because we're anticipating a consolidation, manipulation, and distribution week. Pretty simple. We're always looking for that, but we're looking for perfect this week because this week will be super probable market conditions. All right, super probable market conditions will happen this week. Why? Pretty much just because we have just those perfect news drivers, which is not anything. It's just liquidity injections in the market price, right? So overall, number one, what are we looking for? Consolidation on Monday. All right, we're looking for just a pure consolidation. Red equal highs, red equal lows, getting formed. Tuesday, we're looking for manipulation. Why we're looking for manipulation? We're looking for these two news injections being manipulation, being in the opposite direction of what we're actually anticipating. Then we're looking for Wednesday being overall the distribution phase. However, there will not be any major distribution because that will wait until Friday instead this week. So it will not be like perfect quarterly theory. I'd never use quarterly theory, by the way, but this is what people say. Think of when they overall looking for quarterly theory, right? I've never utilized it. I'll give it to you. Wait. I don't know, bro. Oh wow, now I actually went into mine. I have no idea, bro. I'm fixing it right now. So now it should be fixed. It should be fixed. Yeah, bro, you can have your. No worries. Perfect. So now let's go into it. So Wednesday, right? We're not looking for any major distribution, just because we have news drivers, right? We don't have any major news drivers. We have an actually U.S. bank holiday, and this is why it's super important for y'all to look at it. So pretty much on Wednesday, right? We're looking for pretty much the distribution phase happening still, right? We're still looking for a distribution phase happening. However, we're not looking for any major movements, meaning it will most probably be just really, really bad, not any major nice moves happening, and just overall a buy or a sell program for the given market you're trading, right? For the DXY, I'm anticipating a sell program. Now that might tell you something. Thursday, right? We're anticipating the distribution phase to continue, and Friday we're just waiting for the distribution phase to continue as well, right? So all of these news drivers right there, I'm anticipating them being bearish for the DXY. Pretty interesting. Now you might think, what are you bullish or are you bearish on the DXY? That's how we go into it. So now let's just start sharing my screen. So Now, if we now go into the weekly time frame, right there, I'll actually change some things. Can you look at COTs? We can actually do that if you just want. Not this week, right? Not this week specifically, but maybe next week or something. Because this week is some saucy shit happening. So I won't go into it this week at least. Just cause, and I won't cover like the shit I look at, right? And if I look at COTs, like I'm telling if, because maybe I won't do it, right? Uh, because it's just for the students, right? But I might shed some light on how I utilize it in next coming weeks if you guys want, but not this week. All right. So overall, if we now go into it here, as y'all see, we are overall, I'm looking for bearishness, right, on the DXY now. I'm looking for us leaving this market making model. I cannot tell you specifically why, but for the students, it's very obvious. So overall, what I'm looking for is us pretty much leaving this market making model. All right, like it's very simple. So I'm looking for overall a risk on scenario, meaning the DXY going lower. I'm looking for crypto bull market. I'm looking for overall indices to pump. I'm looking for like craziness happening in the market price. Really nice things happening, right? Now, bro, I'm looking for it on Wednesday. Wednesday, I'm looking for the DXY going lower, and we'll talk about it, right? Because quite literally. So as y'all see in here, we have an inverse favor gap right there. Inverse favor gap. We have traded up into that, and we have overall utilized that going lower. Now, we have also reacted off of that, and also this high liquidity resistance zone and this order block, as y'all know. Yeah, we are also in this overall 1 month BPR, and we have respected that 100% mark, and I'm looking for us going down. We have a huge rejection right there, 20 and 40 day look back periods, IPD look back periods, and also relative equal lows right there on a weekly. We have taken those relative equals, we've taken buy side liquidity, a lot of buy side liquidity out. So now let's just drop to the daily time frame. As y'all see right there, we have this little fair value gap on the daily. We have traded up into that once, twice, gone lower, created this inverse fair value gap right there, utilized that inverse fair value gap, and headed lower, reacting off of that closing down below, which is bearish. And we have these relative equal lows plus future direction plus relative equal lows down below, with being this, but also 20 and 40. We have taken out both 20 and 40 day look back periods, and now we're going for the next sequencing. So let me now shed some light. All right, let me now shed some light. Once you have taken out the IPDA look back periods on one given, all right, or when you have taken out both the 20, the 40, and the 60, the market will reach for the opposite 20, 40, and 60. That's pretty simple. I have taught it, but just wanted to shed some light on it, and that's exactly what we've done. All right, now we don't look at the 80 and the 100 and the 120 because it's not necessary. We're just looking at the 20, 40, and 60. And I won't teach you the specifics of the numbers you can utilize, but I'll tell you one, right? So one is that we have taken out both the 20, 40, 60. Then we'll reach for the next 20, 40, and 60 on the opposite side until we go to the 80. Then we go to the next 20, 40, 60. But I will not tell you specifics, all right, because that's only for the students. But it's the IPDA, right? What was that? What's in my dogs? Yeah, what's my dogs? Yeah, guys, they're in the background. They're looking so funny. But yeah, as y'all see, we have taken out buy side liquidity, which is 20, 40, and 60 right there. Taken out, I think 20 was here or something, but yeah, you get the joke, right? You get the joke. We've taken that buy side out. We have traded in this order block right there, and we are actually now I won't say it, but yeah, I'm anticipating us going lower now this week, reaching for these red lows. Now, let me tell you some more specifics, right? So let's now go into the 4 hour, right? And as y'all know, I'm anticipating us consolidating on Monday. I'm anticipating us reaching higher, taking out this buy side liquidity pool. Because what does this buy side liquidity pool become? It becomes time-based liquidity. And what happens? Yeah, if y'all know, right? I'll just tell you the externals is bearish as well. So what is this, guys? What is this? No one is saying it. All right. AMD, oh my gosh, AMD quarterly theory, oh my gosh, you guys. I said external is bearish. We have taken out time-based liquidity. What does that become? Exactly, guys. Yes, it becomes a pattern, bro. You got it completely right. No one actually even knows what externals is, just the students, right? So quite literally, it's nothing here, all right? It's nothing here. Nothing at all. STA is time-based liquidity. No, it's not time-based liquidity. I will never talk about what external liquidity, or not external liquidity. External liquidity, everyone knows. Internal liquidity, everyone knows. ICT does not specifically talk about externals. He mentions it, but he does not say external ICT. All right, it's just some name I've come up with. Now, as you all know, we're anticipating consolidation, manipulation, and distribution. And VC, bro, where's VC? Exactly, bro. Look at this, guys. Look at this. So look what I had annotated. I have this consolidation, right? Creating relative wise, manipulation, and the distribution, right? Let's see if this actually plays out. So let's see if VC are wrong, because actually I think VC is bullish, right? So let's see if this plays out, right? If exactly this plays out. So let's just watch it. That's just what I'm telling y'all. Anyways, now we'll go to USD. So pretty much same thing here, just inverse, right? So we have traded into this little fair value gap right there. Inverse fair value gap on weekly, right? Yeah, no worries, Banksy, no worries. So we've traded into that, and we have overall traded into this as well, as y'all see. Traded, I'll not tell you specifically, but as y'all know, I have this level marked out, this specific level. I'll not tell you what it is. However, maybe you could figure it out yourself and utilize it in some way. So what I'm anticipating is us overall consolidating on Monday. All right. Then manipulating into this level and then distributing. All right. So just keep this level in your mind. All right. Just keep it in your mind at all times. Reaching for that 20, 40, and 60. All right. Pretty simple. Hopefully everyone gets it. So I'm anticipating this consolidation, manipulation, distribution into that specific level, closing over this right there. Right? Hopefully everyone got it. So now, right, if my bias is not the same as your bias, and if your bias is inverse mine or just completely opposite, please feel free to not use my bias, because my bias is just here for you to confirm your own bias. If it's the same, if we have a similar bias, similar stance on the market price, right? What that confirms is pretty much, yeah, that we have the same. However, if we don't have the same, if we have difference or a difference in overall our stance on the market price, right? What you should do, right, is utilize your own, because more often than not, all right, more often than not, you're gonna be right, all right, because 90% of the time we both make money in the market price, because it can go literally, we both can be right at the same time. That's exactly what I wanted to say, right? TDM said low of the month is in. I say we're gonna go lower once again, because there's something I actually can't really share. However, I'll say it. So there's some sauce for the people. Lows, right, created on a Friday is improbable to stay intact for a longer period of time. You would rather want the lows or the highs of the weeks getting formed on a specific sequencing day. And a specific sequencing day is a day where it is most probable for the highs to stay intact or the lows to stay intact for a longer period of price time, right? For a longer period of time, so the price can run after that. All right. Hopefully everyone understood it. So, yeah, DXY is bearish right now, I would say so. I would say Tuesday, bro. Sneaky Tuesday. And yeah, let's just now pretty much go into Nasdaq. And as y'all know, pretty simple. I don't have anything annotated. I'm not really good at Nasdaq, by the way, guys. I'm not. I primarily an foreign exchange trader, but what I'm thinking is pretty much consolidation, manipulation, taking these reticulos out, reaching down maybe into this fair value gap. However, what I'm thinking is that we'll just reach into like this fair value gap, consequent encroachment of that, so like 50% mark of that. So I'm thinking we'll just go consolidate, manipulate, and then distribute. Pretty much that's pretty much it. Yeah, like just a pattern. This is a pattern week. We can call this a pattern week. Right, very easy and very good. Because quite literally, this is a pattern week. Yeah, I would definitely say it's a pattern week. Like I said in the beginning of the call. Anyways, guys, I think this is it, actually.